Yo, what up guys? Welcome to Jack's Off to another adventure. So today we are doing another AMTRAK video, and today we are going from Seattle down to Portland via the Coast Starlight. So yeah, join us as Jack's off to another AMTRAK train. Let's go. Alright, so we're here about an hour early. I don't know why, but Coach is like very enthusiastic about this trip. I think he wants to be a vlogger himself. So we're gonna go check out the station first, since we got hella time anyway, so yeah. Alright, so here's downtown right here. We got the downtown traffic early in the morning. Here's the train station, Embassy Suites. And then over here, we have the Lumen Field, home of the Seattle Seahawks. Boo! Let's be honest, as a Niners fan, I'm just jelly at the stadium because, you know, they engineered it to keep the sound in. And Levi Stadium was built after the stadium, and yet we have no home field advantage. It's actually very bad for fans because if you've ever been to Levi Stadium, most of the fans will sit in the section where the sun hits the hardest, so we're cooking over there. So yeah, that's why I'm hating. Haters gonna hate. Boo! I think we've seen enough from the outside. We've seen like the whole like 360 of it. So let's check out the inside. Let's go. Alright, so here's the inside of the station. Very classic looking with the white marble looking design. Hi, good morning.
What's up? All right, and you guys are business class. Perfect. You're gonna go 7 doors down.
Okay, thank you. All right, so today we are riding business class, and in one of my last videos, we were riding the same train, the Coastal Starlight from San Francisco down to LA, but that time we rolled in the roomette. So this time it's gonna be a little different. I won't show you guys everything because I pretty much shown you like everything in the previous video. So if you're curious about the roomette, check out that video instead. So today we're gonna do business class. Yes, sir.
You just want to head to your left, up the stairs, pick any seat you like. The water's going to be on this side.
Do you know where the train's going? Is it going this way or that way? That way. All right, thanks a lot. Here? This one? Let's do this one right here. All right, cool. Our next station stop, our first stop, will be station and welcome again to AMTRAK 11, Coast Starlight.
Same thing.
They got boneless buffalo chicken wings though.
Oh.
Cup noodles too. Wow. Check it out, guys.
Yeah.
That looks nice. It is not.
Here are the roomettes. Here's the sleeper car. Has their own bathroom, their own sink.
Happy cars down to that cabin.
Thank you. Muchas gracias.
No burger.
Hell no. Alright, so it is breakfast for us. Last time when we rode the train, I had the Jimmy D McMuffin, and also tried the cheeseburger that absolutely killed me. So this time we're gonna try the hot dog, and guess what? It comes with this fancy tomato ketchup. Not just ketchup, fancy. Let's try this. Hope this don't kill me.
Thank you too, Nate. And
Way better than that cheeseburger. I say that now, but we'll find out in like a couple hours.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. You notice we are going a little slow here, and that's because we are coming up to a red signal. We're going to be meeting a sister train. We just gotta wait until they get past us, and then we'll continue on.
okay, so you know about the 9-hour bus ride, right? Yep. Okay, giving you a heads up before you get off is to be the best interest of yourself, is to buy some snacks from our snack bar before jumping on. Okay.
If you just boarded, welcome aboard AMTRAK Train 11, Coast Starlight, southbound in route to Klamath Falls. At this time, due to the coronavirus, it is required to wear a face mask covering your mouth and your nose. Our next station stop will be Kelso, Longview, 40 minutes.
Alright, so my previous video I showed you guys the roomette from San Francisco down to LA. Well, I'm kind of curious about the sleeper, so let's sneak into one like this one right here. Alright, so you have to lower bunk. Look at the room here. Wow. If you sit here, your view is the sink right here. And then this thing turns into a bunk bed right here. And then we got a little seat. Although this one is facing backwards. I hate sitting backwards when riding forward. But here's the view right here. And then this thing also comes with a toilet and a shower. Imagine sharing this room, someone taking a shit, must smell bad. We only got some spray here. You got a toilet teepee right here so we don't get wet. Made it to Portland's Union Station. Check it out, guys. This is the inside right here. Alright, time to get the hell out of here. Woo! So we made it from Seattle to Portland, a 4-hour ride. That was definitely worth it. So yeah, even though Seattle and Portland is like about 150 miles apart, you can definitely drive it. But I prefer taking the train because, you know, you can kind of zone out and just absorb the view, whereas if you're driving, you gotta watch the road, right? I mean, you should, some people don't, but you really should. And you know, the views, you can see some nature, you can see some rural areas, livestock, mills, all sorts of stuff that you don't notice growing up from a big city like San Francisco. And who knows, this could be a new niche for my channel. I can be like a train riding enthusiast channel or something, aside from doing Chinatowns, but yeah. Alright, so now that we're in Portland, y'all should know why we're here. And if you don't know, well, you guys can wait for the next video. So that'll do it for this video. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, Jack's off.